As I be then come up fat up cover. What's up, my whimsical family? It's your girl Norlene, and of course, Sunday morning, I'm in the kitchen. Now, today, I am with an extra special friend, Auntie Tracy, and she will teach us how to do Guyanese bake. I know you're intrigued by this video, so go ahead and hit that like button. Of course, subscribe if you have not already done so. Turn on your post notification for weekly notifications from my channel. To a kilogram of flour, she has added quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, coconut milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoon vegetables shortening. Pinch this in and knead to a relaxed dough. Next, family and friends, she will ball dough into desired size. For her size is about a tennis ball. She will flour and rest for about 20 minutes. While this is happening, I'll send some virtual hugs and kisses your way. Happy birthday to you and happy anniversary. Happy whatever extra special milestone you are celebrating. Extra special happy birthday to Stacy and Janet. May God continue to bless you both. Now guys, this is the tricky part. Now guys, she simply flattened the dough by rotating in a clockwise motion while using her thumb to flatten it. Now guys, she said that you can use a rolling pin if you don't know how to do this technique. Now guys, this is the interesting part and you need to pay close attention. You simply place your dough in oil and you scoop the oil to the exposed surface so that you can cook both sides evenly. Now guys, while this is happening, if you notice, the dough is actually rising. Let me pause to welcome my new subscribers, and you can always follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. My food for thought is inspired by Matthew 10 verse 7. You know, my whimsical family, sometimes we get so wrapped up in the hustle and bustles of our daily lives or work or school, spouse, children, finances, and we often neglect our relationship with God. But Matthew 10 reminds us that God's kingdom is near. His kingdom is here. When we surrender to the will of God and the desire that He has for us, it will bring us healing. It will bring us peace, victory, and salvation. We have a responsibility not only for ourselves, but for humanity, so that we all can make it into the kingdom of God. No guys, I can't wait for you to see this. Just watch the dough. This is soft. This is, no guys, manage look on this. It actually comes right back up. It tells you how soft and fluffy this bake is. Now guys, see there, my period, look a bit of ackee and salvage. The ackee kind of look a bit people, a tin ackee is the best we can do with it. And I want to go in for you to see what this looks like. As usual, I bring you, once again, another favorite. It's Guyanese bake. Guys, trust me, you will enjoy doing this recipe next time you are in your kitchen. So grab your ingredients, pause the video, and of course prepare this delicious meal for your family next time you are in your kitchen. I'll see you next week, guys, where I'll have for you another interesting, scrumptious, delicious meal, Jamaican style. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love you. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you next week. Now, guys, please remember to leave your comment in the comment section. Hit the like button. Of course, subscribe to my channel and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Remember, hit your bell icon for new posts. Save my channel to your favorite playlist. Share my channel with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Thank you so much.